How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 69 GTO. It's a true 242 GTO. It's got the original numbers motor in it, numbers matching, 400. Done in Cortez Silver with a black top, black interior. Just a really nice car. So all the grills, the headlight bezels, everything real nice. This car's got show quality paint on it. Nice and flat, straight down the sides. Vinyl tops all been replaced when they did this car. It's a complete frame off restoration. It was done a couple years back. Tell you, I really like the judge wing on the car. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. All the taillight housings look real nice. See how nice and slick it is on the sides. It's got your Rally 2s on it. They are 15-inch. Nice little upgrade. See a nice big tire on it. This is the numbers match 400. It's been upgraded with an aluminum intake and a Holley carb. It's got the ram air cast iron headers on it. Nice dual stainless exhaust out the back with cutouts. It's just very nice detail work under the hood. I mean, this car is ready to just show and go and enjoy it. Tell you, I really like the Cortez Silver with the black top. See how nice and clean the doors are. Dash all looks real good. It's got the factory gauges with the tach in the dash. Headliner looks real nice and tight. All the seat covers look real good. It's got the his and her shifter. Nice little upgrade. Jams look real nice in the car. It's got your matching spare. It's got the jack and everything, all the factory stuff. Trunk floor looks real nice. So the Cortez Silver really looks good on these cars. They did add a set of gauges there under the dash, a little more accurate than the factory ones in the dash. It's got the factory vacuum gauge on the console. It does have an AM/FM CD stereo mounted in the glove box. Tell you, it's just a super nice car. The whole underside of this car is silver, except for the chassis, black. Fires right up. Got all your power steering, your power disc brakes. It's a super nice car. It's got the electric cutouts. close right back up. It's all done electrically. Kind of neat. You roll into the car shows, car cruises, open them up. Looks like we got a bulb out there. We'll get that taken care of. Tell you, it's a really nice car, guys. It's all stainless exhaust, all stainless brake and fuel lines. This car's ready to show and enjoy. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.